Are you a Hispanic student wondering how you're going to pay for college? Scholarships can help make your education more affordable, and we're here to guide you through the process. Hi, I'm Zena Kumak with scholarships.com, and today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about Hispanic scholarships, what they are, how to find them, and how to increase your chances of winning them. So what are Hispanic scholarships? A Hispanic scholarship is a financial award specifically for students of Hispanic or Latino heritage. These scholarships are typically open to students from Spanish-speaking countries, and many also include Latino students. Some Hispanic scholarships require that you be a first-generation college student, while others don't. And don't worry, most don't require you to speak Spanish, even though many Hispanic students do. So where do Hispanic scholarships come from? These scholarships can be awarded by private companies, nonprofit organizations, and even colleges themselves. Some schools even have automatic applications for Hispanic scholarships, meaning you can qualify just by submitting your regular college application. Others may require additional essays or materials, so be sure to check the requirements carefully. So how do you find Hispanic scholarships? The best way to find Hispanic scholarships is to use the scholarships.com directory. When you create a free account, you'll be matched with scholarships you're eligible for, and we'll notify you when deadlines are coming up or when new opportunities are available for you. You can also visit our scholarship directory to browse a broad list of Hispanic scholarships. Some of the most popular ones include the HSF Scholarship, the Gates Scholarship, and the Dream.US Opportunity Scholarship. Here's what to know before applying. Hispanic scholarships, just like other scholarships, can be need-based, merit-based, or both. And no matter what type of scholarship you're applying to, you will need to fill out the FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid. The FAFSA is your golden ticket to scholarships, grants, work study, and even federal student loans. Some colleges also require the CSS profile, which is a form similar to the FAFSA. Just keep in mind that while the FAFSA is free, the CSS profile may have a small fee. Expand your search. While focusing on Hispanic scholarships is great, don't stop there. You should also apply for diversity scholarships, minority scholarships, and any other award based on your background, interests, skills, or future career. If you're a woman, part of the LGBTQIA+ community, a single parent, or pursuing a specific major like STEM, there are even more opportunities available for you. Head to scholarships.com and start your search today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on paying for college.